Ciao Tesla people, today I wanted to give you some suggestion to do a gift for the holidays for accessories for your Tesla or someone that you want to give a gift to. Okay, so I'll mention 3 or 4 accessories that I think they're more valuable for a Tesla than any other accessories that they're just good to have but not must to have. Okay, so the first accessory that saved me a couple of times already are the rim case from MagBak. So if you remember, I installed it I think last summer, and it saved me already a couple of times. Let me actually open the trunk, and where did I put it? The box is on this side. Let me show you. Yeah, so these are the rim case, and basically they are covers for the rims. Okay, if you check it out here, there are the protection for the rim. Okay, it already saved me, you see here a bit of scratch, but it already saved me a couple of times from scratching the rims, and I think this is a pretty cool gift to someone for the holidays. Okay, so they're easy to install, but it takes a bit of time, maybe half an hour if I remember correctly, but they're really cool to have to save the rims from scratches. Okay, the second item is the MudGuards. Okay, I bought 4 MudGuards. They're flexible and they save your car body from scratches from stones and all kinds of stuff that goes in the streets. Okay, and then the wheels, they spin out. So usually on the Model Y here, this is just dirt, but if you don't have those MudGuards, you get here you get stones and stuff that ruin the body of the car. This is just dirt from another thing. Okay, it's not about the MudGuard, this guy. Let me close it here. Let me put back this, and then we'll go inside the car and I'll show you a couple other items that I think are a good gift. Here, for example, is the windshield cover for the sun. Okay, let me close the door here. So those 2 are the external accessories. Okay, now the other one is the cover for the screen. I use a clear matte so that there is no reflection in the sun. Of course you cannot see it much, but it's good to have so that you protect the display and you don't get glare and reflection while you're using the display. Okay, another one is the mats. So Tesla come with standard mats, and they're not they don't protect much. They're just floor mats, and if you get this one from HaloBLK, they protect a lot, and they're premium because they have the part that covers everything in plastic or rubbery thing, and then they have a carpet, so they protect a lot the floors of your Tesla. Okay, and this is basically it. Actually, no, let me get one more, which I cannot show you. Are the HEPA filters for your car. So in Model Y, we have a bioweapon system filters. They are in the front. There are 4 filters, and they have HEPA filters. But inside the cabin, there are 2 filters down there. I made 2 videos to do the installation, And those two are normal filter, like a paper filter, okay? But you can get a HEPA filter for these filters too. So basically in the Model Y you have 6 HEPA filters, which is great, so the air is super clean inside. But those HEPA filters you can get it for Model 3 too. I think from the other models too, Model S and Model X. I'm not sure for the Cybertruck how it works, the filters. I think they have bioweapon too there. I don't remember if it's, I think so. So if you get HEPA filter for all the filters, you get maximum protection and air filtration, which is good. So these are just a bit of ideas. I think they are the most interesting and must-have accessory. The HEPA filters, of course, is when you finish the filters. So you need to change, maybe depending on where you live. Like I live in Florence, it's pretty polluted. So I changed last summer. So after 1 year, I changed the filters. So depends on where you are, you can change those filters. Of course, the mats, depending on your needs, okay? Oh, they have here in the back too, right here, the old filters, okay? For the wheels, I think it's a must-have. Those are for the 21 inches, but I think the MagBak, they have it for 20. There are other vendors that they have for smaller wheels too. I think those are must-have. Otherwise, you definitely will scratch your rims for sure. I was 100% sure that I had only one scratch. Instead, when I mounted them, I had all 4 wheels. I don't know how it happened. And then one more time, I scratched the MagBak. They protected, and I had to replace just one piece because the MagBak they are mounted piece by piece. I think they have 30, something, 27, I don't remember. Instead of the one single one that you have to replace the entire thing, here you replace just the piece that is broken, which is great. And then of course the screen protector. There are 2 types, clear and matte. I got the matte so I don't have reflection and stuff. Anyway, check out in the description, I'm going to leave the links. And also, if you buy a Tesla, please use my referral. It's in the description too. You can get up to $1,000 or $2,000 discount in the US, 500 euros here in Europe. And in Europe, if you buy a Tesla, until the end of the year, you get 1 year of free supercharging, which is pretty good. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.